How to become successful as a muslimah. Salam, gorgeous people, welcome to my channel. If someone asks you, what is success? Your mind might click to dream big and progress. Dream college, dream wardrobe, and a car to impress. But hold on, is true success really about all that glitz and excess? So in today's video I gave you 10 ways to achieve success in this dunya and the hereafter. As a muslimah, success means to do something what please Allah. Balancing deen and dunya is the best way to achieve successes. Let's start with 1. Faith and worship. Faith in Islam refers to the belief in the oneness of God Allah and the acceptance of the prophethood of Muhammad as the final messenger of God. It involves having strong conviction in the core beliefs of Islam, such as the belief in the angels, the holy books, the Day of Judgment, and divine predestination. Worship in Islam encompasses all acts of obedience and submission to Allah. It includes the performance of the 5 pillars of Islam, such as prayer, salat, fasting, Salam, charity, zakat, pilgrimage, hajj, as well as other acts of worship like recitation of the Quran, supplication, dua, remembrance of Allah, dhikr, and seeking knowledge about Islam. Strengthen your faith through regular worship, prayer, and seeking knowledge about Islam. 2. Good character. Good character in Islam refers to embodying virtuous qualities and behaviors that are encouraged and praised in the teachings of the Quran and the Sunnah traditions of the Prophet Muhammad. It involves adhering to moral principles and values that reflect the essence of Islam. Having good character in Islam is not only about outward actions but also about cultivating a pure heart and sincere intentions. It is a continuous effort to improve oneself and strive to embody the noble qualities exemplified by the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and the righteous individuals in Islamic history. 3. Dua. Dua in Islam is like having a heart-to-heart conversation with Allah. It's a way for Muslims to communicate their hopes, fears, gratitude, and needs directly to Allah through prayer and supplication. It's a powerful tool for seeking guidance, forgiveness, blessings, and help in times of difficulty or joy. Muslims believe that Allah listens to every sincere dua and responds in the best way, whether by granting the request, giving patience in adversity, or rewarding in the hereafter. Dua is a special connection between a person and their Creator, emphasizing the closeness and mercy of Allah in Islam. Make frequent supplications to Allah for guidance, blessings, and forgiveness. 4. Seeking knowledge. Seeking knowledge in Islam is a noble quest. It illuminates minds and hearts with the best. From the cradle to the grave, it's a lifelong zest. For knowledge is a light that puts souls to the test. Continuously seek knowledge about Islam, the Quran, and the teachings of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. 5. Charity and generosity. Charity and generosity in Islam hold great weight. They purify the soul and determine our fate. Helping those in need, we elevate our state. For in giving to others, blessings accumulate. Engage in acts of charity and generosity towards those in need, as giving in the way of Allah is highly rewarded. 6. Family and relationships. Maintain strong family ties, treat your relatives with kindness, and fulfill your duties towards your family members. 7. Self-improvement. Strive for self-improvement, both spiritually and personally, by identifying and working on your weaknesses. 8. Patience and perseverance. In times of difficulty, practice patience and perseverance, trusting in Allah's plan and seeking His help. 9. Avoiding sin. Stay away from actions and behaviors that are prohibited in Islam and strive to lead a righteous and virtuous life. 10. Hope and gratitude. Have hope in Allah's mercy and blessings, and always be grateful for the blessings you have, both big and small. By incorporating these principles into your life as a muslimah, you can work towards success in this world and the hereafter, inshallah, God willing.